enti da so Kwaku Manu ene okoreche FIFA mensa beef no I was a beef no ya da so e was na nka FIFA do so was step it down but Kwaku Manu da so gina mu Kwaku gina mu peme Kwaku siga Kwaku Bob siga o gina beef no mu pampe I was at this moment no Kumawood movie producer is enam ne so ana Kwaku Manu ebe ye Kwaku Manu in the movie industry enam producer we so enema Kwaku Manu ebe nya adi ni benya ni monyam ebe ye star e wo Ghana ha ena movie producer we so enema Kwaku Manu ebe ye star na beef na Kwaku Manu Africa aircon movie producer we abeka nyansa sempa egu Kwaku Manu tirim na social media so the tiktokers so to turi mane Kwaku Manu pa hi Penyah block media mess was any day obe like video no that one subscribe button click the notification icon for latest update na be kire wa adwo dia mama e wo comment section so baso no shi bi no for so enya bi ahwe onim say beef e cost between Kwaku Manu ene okatecheri fa mensa bones a beef no be akoduro na FIFA do say Kwaku Manu standard or no FIFA was set am na ho no masa Kwaku Manu is below that limit. He's below that level. I say who he has for no FIFA no. Only Kwaku Manu may go into beef. I say only Kwaku Manu just obetiane keke. Well, Amazon dey go beef, but oba betiane keke say onya nya atwem no. Obetiane keke. Na also beef na e koso no. E start say Kwaku Manu e ka say mahama enye mra bi a say ebetia enkora omudi mpanimfu atem. Emu na FIFA be ka say Kwaku Manu e hypocrite. Na say asem na FIFA kan no. Omo ama say many presenters plan afa every fast sem Kwaku Manu asem no enti say oye obi ne de Kwaku Manu asem no kan no e kirew na fe ma wutie asem every fa e kan obadwene say every fa e support say ye man nkora ne kwan no ni atem but Kwaku Manu against atem bibie what I say sa na say issue ababaye but the enti amen me support say Kwaku Manu hypocrite Kwaku Manu nya atwom ne say yen hwe video we
won bia ono ntimi ka che o man Penyah Akufo Addo se ni ti se bontoa o president o ti se bontoa o ti ma hwe president ti aka che president se ni ti se bontoa na se bontoa ni ti se bontoa na no se dey na se president na no se dey etana
Kwaku kai Kwaku ona wo ye video we yo in opposition 2024 ana wo tra wo show de so ana wo se ai Ghana nkora ni mu ade na obi timi akora timi tena ho ehwe Akufo Addo edin eka tre de se sebe na sebe wani mu a eka che Akufo Addo se uti se bontoa o si asem no so 3 times
won bia ono ntimi ka che o man Penyah Akufo Addo se ni ti se bontoa o president o ti se bontoa o ti ma hwe president ti aka che president se ni ti se bontoa na se bontoa ni ti se bontoa na no se dey na se president na no se dey etana
o si so 3 times uwe ye no ana wo kuro ye wo sa kata ato se ne se na 87 to ade ne na nanimu se den etana this is foolishness ye jini kasa na kasa ne hono no obi a wo tu nkurafo enti Kwaku Manu e se upi abontene ana obi edidu papa atem ete sebe o papa eti eze kuku o papa ti se kuku na nipa ne be ka kire anabia o te na fe o pese nipa ko na wo kan asem utu nifo na fe afi o do father ko tran show so na o ka se o se me father eti se kuku sa no edi sa na nim ese Kwaku ana o ni nipa ko na do father atem Kwaku o ni nipa ko why na do father atem enti jai hwe nu Kwaku jai nya atwom no a beef na na Africa ko se da ko duru se na mabobra na ba bia menai ananta ko duru a river 19 no nkura akasa childish thinking stop it baby awu claim say wabobra duru no obi abatra baby awu nanti ko duru Kwaku ho ne ewu wo bi esiye ye wo bi to amena mu wanyini abetona esie so obi so ye wo de to sie ni so straight e de wo nyini ko enti susu hu say wa make bibi bro Ghana for so Kwaku susu hu say wa make bro so para se susu ase wu kasa se de na wo da amena mu na nyame abo abe yo de ni eje ne je se wo na Ghana youth ni na no wo na wo buru obi aso ye nkasa sa Evan se mo Kwaku Manu ageka ai se mi wo kasa free fire nkwase afo hene Asantehene just the aso kere wo di Asantehene atem aba bia ka Otumfuo go o kasa free fire nkwase afo hene agonafo itum se free fire ayo hene is o kasa le so kasa ti Asantehene nyina ama sabe ebi go akotia yewura Otumfuo pem so ebi akotia no eti ana Asantehene kwa no ebu afu Kwaku Manu na Evan se Kwaku Manu ageka o de free fire ekon movie producers and I'm so ana Kwaku Manu e be e neck Kwaku Manu no obetu Kwaku Manu in fact wabeka nyanza sempa e Kwaku Manu adwene mu
meninam tentan so na mehu enema bi ekoso na mepese mefa akoakwanya iso na metumi nua Kwaku Manu fu Kwaku Manu somebody that I admire ewo near dia or the film industry no and it made me say I am one of the contributors to him being who he is now. Yes, because movie a dene ba out no enye me and ka producer ni yi scenes film. Yes, and that movie and a put two spotlight on Kwaku Manu. Intino many producer ne kon pipe or see yin film na jako wo movie nim we wom ni scenes no ohun de na me hu and I'm saying Crystal let's maintain these scenes until me Kwaku asem genuinely pa but ene may be koso na involvement in the political angle no is becoming dirty for him as a creative person. Because when him say Ghana politics no say baby a enema corner say when a party is in opposition na omunyo obi a na no eden e wo social media no so kasa eti aban na say eyi aban na ten anyone man the person become a hero in the eyes of the opposition. And so Kwaku should see himself as a creative. A woman say what ba social media and so bad dia with the bass on your politics. Kwaku Manu did not first of all, your core fans were movie fans. Your core basic fans omo pe Kwaku Manu asem because of movie. Second one who interviews who started here the aggressive interview and how without questions. Then the third fans how you address social issues. People who say Kwaku ban social issues o de nim de ne na dwenkyere woni emabi hu no o mani je ho. Now sabi how the politicians work and how they do their things, especially the political commentators no. Kwaku, this is not your lane. And so therefore I am pleading with you. Me as a filmmaker will always want to see you thrive your space. Said if I have a film, I'm a person me the Kwaku Manu I should feel that comfort. Say me you so Eddie would to movie mede menya de me sabeka and I also as a producer I will produce a movie no and yeah but there will say Ghana for share your movies our YouTube any other platforms digital platforms where we market our movies no. I want to see you put a movie online and all Ghanaians push behind you and then support your creative work. But bia Kwaku kika call the political angle mesreno ontieti a break. I am begging.
Why are they?
There is this banter between One Okatechia Asori, and I feel as a creative person, not as a politician, it is not good for him.
Why?
By some maka oh, if you want to send me the me kasa me no na
no me na me tete no you na waka but
I'm say me no na you obetima bem we dey say me no de bia.
Okay. I see nothing wrong.
You see it, yes.
My opinion.
Yes, that's it.
I see nothing wrong with what Kwaku Manu is doing.
Okay.
A beer or an agenda.
I know.
One, we were all here and I could job on Kroma as a broadcast journalist. Resigning from media after 2 years, joining MPP, Obeye MP, Obeye Minister of State.
Yes.
Okay. Yenina wa maimu and a movie actor John Dumelo. Then in kakran na oye MP or a Deputy Minister of Agric. It is a Kwaku Manu ambition So person or your politician. Let's allow him.
That's where you are getting it wrong.
Okay, no problem.
So, example no clearly walk through the politics a friend say straight.
Also one is strategy.
No. That's why I'm saying Addo no say enya effect on his creative worker. And me sure say obia ni one more MPP ni ohu John Dumelo movie or better say NDC ni onhwe. I'm telling you. Because he walked through the process smoothly, and as a politician, making it clear. Let's understand it too. They example they came clear, but on this tangent, Akufo, he has not come clear.
Okay, also Elder Kwame Bonsu, Church of Pentecost Elder, Awutu Breku, was sending me a message say. Okatechie edidi Kwaku Manu atemuno. Kwaku Manu onye diana.
You also for me patrol with the
elder onye sofo.
Elder me patrol with the keep your comments and let me tackle my brother in the creative space. Me ma drink chira mpese me de man. There say of a mama who kasa clear example. Shatawale eso phone esi ni su didi watem. Did you reply him?
Oh no, I mean.
Why?
So na sep me yajimai.
Good. And the elder kano. Men can say I didn't know when did one yebi. Sebi enyan to kwabiani yaku. That's why I'm saying if Kelvin Taylor eso camera sini su didi Okatechi atem. No Okatechi so be didi Kelvin Taylor atem. Everybody understands.
That's Okatechi so camera didi Kwaku Manu atem. Na Kwaku Manu so camera didi na atem. What's wrong with that?
Say baby or kikakon. Baby or kikakon. If he wants to come clear, me prelims nina where he is coming from. There's won't mean can't share me this. If he say Kokuba social media and so adia why ya say Kwaku Manu is a politician.
Okay.
And so fight now make me say Kwaku Manu enya industry or ne your friend say Eeiii, but where he is getting towards no. And I'm saying this because even krana you know entertainment analysts and also media personalities now me kai say me interview bia na make kan wo mo didi empanyimfo atem. And I quite remember the exact data mu a post GH
GH page.
No, not GH page. Mini pay.
Sorry.
Ghana, one TV, one Ghana. Me interview mu post on my birthday, 15th September. Exactly 2022. Me did 40 years. That day no post that video. And somehow me no. I did not in any way insult any of the people that I felt say omokasa kotia and Penyah. But because at that point they were in the eyes of the people as a fighters for the general public, all that they were saying, the insult became sense to people. What I say, and that's what I am saying. Say, regardless of what Okatechi is doing now, according to the people in opposition, and Kofubia sebi the government now, he is the most a fantastic person now. And as a creative person, you need all the supporters of these people to grow. If you come clear as a politician, I don't have any problem.
If you person you move BM.
Oh, would they make sure?
Say person
fine. And I'm saying if he comes clear, that's my word. If he comes clear as somebody who wants to now to say the can't upon be a politician, then come in here the me.
All right.
We love him, but on theater break.
Okay.
And ye be biani so.
Na so chebra manzo za TikTokers for no. Edi Kwaku Manu asem eman omu ege kabipa ede tire no.
Ya Kwaku Manu. Aha, wo Kwaku Manu. say afei de wo hu baby Ghana for level omonde o eto na ye wa bi so nyansani Kwaku nyansani asamba no wa kon den chirichiri mu wo hu se Ghana for nche dan empe wa asamsa ujimi no ma me kan kire o Ghana for wo dinti ana yes so kakra no brother would be very disappointed o mra odo yere ko ya oburu ni biji ni flu nsam intine se oye bibi na ye nkoso ma ope na ye ni age se na brother would na ni baji se oba ni ja ho kra won say but unye nyansani sa o I'll bet TV so now chinchim now ka also ye nyansani dia forget it if you also funny face will be a jahan hono a kofa no and your door kakra but I knew to be no katachi odo amanfo ma ogadachi no unni mu kota ba ko ba see aya pe ba bitina and start drum no hwe era na Ghana ye dru no ye formal start drum kwade ye hu mu star I'll put all star Yamina wadom na zia mpanifo no nante tinkasua nyansa firi ose kwa me despite mo didi atembe ni na terms no ayidi ne niema be kasama no ne niema ye be kasama no jimi ogadachi 18 wachi ba ko hwe ngatina ho jimi ya ujimi ho asiatu
Kwaku Manu jimi wo se de yi wo se okatachi free fantimi entage o Kumasi hali wo me wo Kumasi na okatachi afrifa wo secret bi odi be ba begu ho no wo secret bi a all pile e de abre wo no wuntimi nsoa me kwa enye abu so ka minim se wo ye 10 enti ntafo ene di ntafo party echi kwasi ampani te se wo Bekasa mientia okatachi afrifa entimi ntage wo hu ontimi ntage o na momma magano Kevin Taylor maka hoho no kurampo no wayi na hwefam na wo kokohwe aba Kwaku Manu se wonnim entopako a hu ka koni broni na ne sia tuturu broni akokra na watimi abon boots ache wo oyire afiri wo nsem no se ye hu se woni ahoden Kwaku Manu apone so ya wo se woni ahoden wo katachi afrifa ma na hwe no na wo ma obenya so oba hwe oba hwe 1 wudi uhuni 2 wo simproye 3 wo support ansene ye wo singlet ansene ye wudi uhuni wo hu ofe wudi mu nti na ma ti mi hwe oba ma oba atimi hwe no na oye decent ne hu sham na wo woni uhuni nti no na wo yire timi agya wakofa akokra ja mean say akokra no odi ni huni na benya se oba hwe wo wotimi wakoka wo wodi awale mu boka empna twemu so boka oba ma waboka edi oba kodura brochire na oba na timi agya wo de Kwaku Manu wo se wodi wo se ebuti na wusu eni kwansa wo timi kasa basa kra wo social ni media ne so because when mu agua
na na wo Kwaku Manu uhu obi ayantitini ya uhu okatachi afrifa mensa bia won hye dan nimu no katachi ono ni trimu nyani do okatachi afrifa okatachi na muni sano onye hia ni bi ba o rade onye hia ni ba o okatachi has been on the street for so many years Uvi say wa Jimmy and konye junkie. Boy no. Brano okatachi afrifa mensa. He has been on the street. Wanye junkie. He has gone back to school learning to be a lawyer. And you are here saying antiti okatachi afrifa mensa. Mo amonai mo hadwin o.
Kwaku Manu. Me say me hu say Kachachi frifa ntokoya wona na ekun ho Kwaku Manu usum ni nyansa wadwun mebi na ukasa nyansa fonti Kwaku Manu woni kachachi frifa ayi na mehu se Kwaku Manu ni nyansa sa na wo no nhwa ade onfo wani nto fom enhwe de ne ekoso entoko ya woni kacheche fifa ekono ho dwene kwachiri na hu se eye woni MPP fo ni Asantehene na ekon watime bi wa no aka se Otumfuo no osresrade Asantehene ye bu ofu uwie ye no kacheche fifa no so no okase MPP ye ya Asantehene so ye ni MPP ho iti dwene hu se sebi entokwa na woni kacheche fifa kono woni MPP fo ni Asantehene na ekon ana wo so ya NDC ni na first no na MPP fo ho ye hi enu ti na wonya kokodo bekenkan kwa asem na se die
Kwaku Manu atinga left minim nyansa Kwaku Manu mo ahene watu afu okatachi free fa say onu de onu nye beef nanso onu be enka onu be kontokwa obeba be chire mu kwan a nkwala fa so ewu school Kwaku Manu anyanya bia akra bia wu school da be chire mu wo say woni nku because empenifo bia frene tu nanka onu be ko a obe chire mu kwan a mfa so a modi cocaine enu bone drug dealing Kwaku Manu so wagu see beef we yempe court okatache de oso wonku ai woso wonku una aso beku nti Kwaku Manu ye twen atenga be chire mu na ofri uboki na faso so ofri hi awo betina krom ha no wo di asante kasa e be di yen Asantehene ato won Kwaku Manu me say wunye wushi na beef ye be wie ye say akacho say no court no defamation and I make court no court beef we obi anya na ade say court me say Kwaku Manu ye trato wo di MPP for bloggers say be di aso ye me ya abo ne kwase a wo ye me di watem o mo ahene ye me di watem esu punchline say am punchlines me no okatachi say one wonku na mpone obeko a eti Kwaku Manu be chirechire kwanya nkola fa so mu ye twen be chirechire any drug dealing you see cocaine be chirechire Kwaku be chirechire mu ye be chire wase ye de no nku ye yentimi nchirechire ye see ye no nku tie nchirechire nti wo na wo a wo platform wo views e chirechire na Ghana for ente kwanya nkola fa any cocaine won sense so we can win me say wo ye NDC ni ahwe so netina ho obi anka say enjoy any political party you win netina ho emfa wonya atwom no any nkura asem emma MPP bloggers so e wo TikTok emfa nkura asem ne nkwa Akufo Addo any MPP so na MPP 8 years ni do betina so di onim nyansa ne di nani abie no wo hu di Ashanti region e kwan a wo maye wo ye twen Kwaku Manu okatachie 2 points Kwaku Manu 0 pasiane aboa no enye beef obi atimi ke oti ye twen Kwaku Manu ye twen be chirechire mu drug deal
tirajo mama e wo comment section ai Penyah Black media